Hi everyone and welcome to my video on side fat reduce exercise at home. In this video, I will show you some of the best exercises to reduce side fat. Exercise 1 is oblique crunchy. To do this exercise, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head and curl your upper body up to the side, bringing your elbow toward your opposite knee. Lower back down and repeat on the other side. Do 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. Exercise 2 is bicycle crunches. To do this exercise, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head and bring your right elbow toward your left knee. Then bring your left elbow toward your right knee. Continue alternating side, making bicycle motion. Do 20 to 22 repetitions. Exercise 3 is side plank. To do this exercise, start in a push-up position with your body weight supported on the right forearm and do your right foot. Raise your left arm straight in the air and keep your body in a straight line from your head to your wheel. Hold 30 seconds and repeat on the other side. Exercise 4 is leg windshield wiper. To do this exercise, start in a plank position with your body weight supported on your forearm and your toes. Lift your right leg up and out of the side. Keep your knees straight. Lower your leg back down and repeat on the other side. Exercise 5 is Russian twist. To do this exercise, sit on the ground with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Hold a weight in each hand and twist your torso from side to side. Bringing the weights up towards your chest. Do 15 to 20 repetitions. These are just a few of the best exercises to reduce side fat at home. If you do these exercises regularly, you will start to see results in no time. Remember, it's so important to eat a healthy diet and get regular exercise to help you lose weight and reduce side fat. Thanks for watching video on my side fat reduction exercise at home, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fitness videos.